Hey everyone, welcome back to Party of Six Travel. Today we're exploring one of Costa Rica's most iconic natural wonders, the La Fortuna Waterfall. Stick around because we're diving into everything you need to know, from the entry fee, the hike, and the stunning details that make this spot unforgettable. Let's go. If you're planning a trip to Costa Rica, it's worth figuring out a way to put La Fortuna on your itinerary. Located near the famous Arenal Volcano, this area boasts some of the most amazing jungle scenery. Perhaps the most stunning of these is the La Fortuna Waterfall. To visit, you'll need to pay an entry fee. As of now, it's $18 for adults and $5 for children ages 6 to 15. Kids under 6, they're free. The park is open daily from 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. So plan to come early if you want to beat the crowds. You can get your tickets online or right here at the entrance. There's plenty of parking and the facilities are top notch. You'll find clean restrooms, a small cafe, and even a gift shop to grab souvenirs. Now, let's hit the trail. The hike down to the waterfall is an adventure in itself. Be prepared for about 500 steps. The trail is well maintained with sturdy railings and rest stops along the way, but it's a steep descent. If you're traveling with kids or anyone with mobility issues, take it slow. Along the way, keep an eye out for tropical birds, vibrant plants, and even the occasional monkey. After about 15 minutes of hiking, you'll start hearing the roar of the waterfall. Trust me, it's worth every step. And here it is, the La Fortuna Waterfall. Dropping 75 meters or about 246 feet, this cascade is powered by the Tenorio River. The name La Fortuna translates to the fortune, and you'll see why when you're standing here. It's absolutely breathtaking. Swimming is allowed in the pool downstream from the waterfall, but keep in mind that the current can be strong, especially after heavy rain. If you're not a swimmer, no worries, you can just dip your feet in and enjoy the cool water. The river is clear and surrounded by volcanic rock formations. Fun fact, the waterfall is part of the Arenal Volcano Conservation Area, so the ecosystem here is incredibly diverse. Before you visit, here are a few tips. First, wear sturdy water shoes. The steps can get slippery. Second, bring a swimsuit and a towel if you plan to swim, plus a waterproof bag for your valuables. And don't forget sunscreen and bug spray. You are in the jungle after all. Is La Fortuna Waterfall worth the hike? Without question. Whether you're a nature lover, a photographer, or just looking for an unforgettable adventure, this spot delivers. That's it for today's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Pura vida.